What's up, guys? Today I wanted to talk about why I think all web developers should start a YouTube channel. It's been about a year. I'm coming up on 500 subscribers. It's been about last year at this time I was just building the very first projects and foundations of this channel, and I had no idea that I would actually get people that subscribed and commented and sent me emails and enjoyed my content. This wasn't the purpose of me starting this channel. Honestly, I was just trying to, I guess, build some branding or social proof for myself so that if I applied to other jobs or companies in the future, I could, on my portfolio, I could just be like, hey, I contribute to the web development community by making videos and helping teach others or whatever. It was kind of for selfish reasons. Just being honest, right? But here we are. I'm almost at 500 subscribers. Thank you all for subscribing and continuing to subscribe. But this is something, looking back, that, dude, if I would have done this 5, 6, 7 years ago when I started this, who knows where I'd be. And that 500 subscribers, where I'm at now, I'm at, 93 videos. And honestly, if I'm being honest, guys, that 93 videos is nothing. I've put less than 50% of what I could put into this channel to really grow it. You've noticed I've gone some long stretches of time without uploading for various reasons. But this second year, showing this momentum and all these messages I'm getting from people asking me questions, or if I could make courses and release courses, which I never thought I would do, but I'm actually seriously considering it now. If you guys would be interested in that, remember I have the practical web dev roadmap where we have HTML, CSS, vanilla JavaScript, Bootstrap, PHP, SQL, and WordPress and all that. I've been, based on the feedback I'm getting, I'm considering making my own courses for each topic and then just releasing them to you guys on a subscription plan, $30 a month. Something like that, cancel anytime. I would have to be subscription because it costs a decent amount of money to actually host your videos on the learning platforms. And I don't want to go to Udemy and sell my soul for $2 profit per course. That's just stupid. I'm never going to do that. But if you're interested in that, let me know. I'm getting people that are telling me, yes, please do it. I need more people because that's going to take a lot of time and a lot of effort, because what I have in mind to teach these things is different than the way anybody else does it. It's still my style of walking you through how I would do stuff, but it would be super interactive with we would learn concepts basically by building real projects. It wouldn't just be 4 hours of theory. A lot of the courses now on Udemy, or courses that I took when I was first learning, it's 6 to 8 hours of theory and just little sandbox exercises that really don't teach you anything before you get to actually building stuff. And I think that's a really boring and stupid way of doing stuff. It doesn't keep people engaged, and you really don't learn it because you're not applying it to a real project, right? You're just coding along. So let me know your thoughts on that. But I'm going to give you other reasons why I think anybody, even if you are a brand new beginner to this stuff, why you should start a YouTube channel ASAP, okay? So the first one, I already kind of mentioned it, branding and social proof. So imagine that you're applying for jobs, or you're HR of some company, and you're trying to look through people's applications. Nowadays, all the developers that apply are going to have some kind of website portfolio for the person to go to. So let's pull up a portfolio site just to show. So I found this one on ThemeForce. It's a pretty nice looking portfolio. And most people are going to have a portfolio that looks like this. Hi, my name is whatever, some subheading, some heading, a button, let's talk, something like that, right? This is your typical portfolio. Imagine, instead of just having this, if right here you had a YouTube video introducing yourself to that person, and how much more valuable that is. For me, I'd be like, hi, my name's Nick. I've been a web developer for over 4 years. I like to help clients out. I like to build projects. I love building things from scratch. I also have a YouTube channel with, however many subscribers, where I give back to the community by teaching other new and aspiring developers how to get the job done. Something like that. Dude, and then you have a link to it. And then they pull up all of this stuff. Dude, you automatically just put yourself at the front of the line. They'd be stupid not to at least move you on to the second stage just based off of that. Because you have like literally like how many projects do I have where I literally build stuff from scratch? And nobody's really doing that still. It's really rare. And that'll guarantee to get you a job if you want a job, even or if you're freelancing, which is more the route that I like. I've never really liked working for somebody. I really hate being an employee. I'd rather do my own thing. So it's another reason why I'm going to go 100% more into this content creation stuff, and I'll still do freelancing, but I don't like dealing with HR and corporate bullshit and bureaucracy. I hate it. I hate all of that stuff. So anyway, number one, that was branding and social proof. You have a YouTube channel where it shows you actually getting stuff done and helping people. You're a million miles ahead of everybody else. The second thing, number two, and this is how I would do it if I just started learning development recently. Every time I learned something, so I would start with HTML, and every time I learned something, I would make a tutorial on it right away. Upload it, go through what you learn, come up with a lesson plan, teach it to the world, upload it to YouTube, teach it, okay? And that's what I did. I didn't do it when I first learned all this stuff, but if you go back into my first videos, I did a couple front-end mentor projects, and then immediately I busted out like a course for HTML, a course for CSS, like 20 videos, 25 videos each, and then JavaScript. I just wanted to teach what I knew and build more content and more social proof and branding. And that's what you should do too, because when you actually have to teach something to somebody, it drills it down in your head that much better because now you just taught somebody. Like that's a big deal, okay? And it's something that a lot of people don't do. So yeah, just learning, even if you're just doing this, you don't want to build a business around it or get a bunch of followers or care about any of that. Just like teaching somebody what you just learned, again, it's going to just hammer that concept down in your head so much better, okay? The third reason why all developers should start a YouTube channel is going to be earning money, the money potential. And you can earn money if we go to my dashboard here. You know what? I'm actually getting close. I think you need like 1,000. What do you need here? Let's go to earn. I don't even know what it is. So eligibility, this thing is for earning money. 3 uploads in 90 days and at least, I think, 500 subscribers. And one of the following. So I need 3,000 hours of watch time in the last 365 days. So I'm probably not going to hit that yet, just because I would have been hitting this stuff months ago. Like I said, if I put 100% effort into this and really went all out on the content side of things, which I plan to do this year, I would have hit this months ago, dude, for sure. At the rate my channel is growing. And the nice thing about YouTube or content creation in general is once you have the videos down, my 90 plus videos, is these things just bring in views constantly. I can go, before my last video, it was like over a month for my last upload, and I still gained almost 100 subscribers, and my watch time and everything was continuing to climb because I've got the base now, and it's just people are always going to view my stuff, which is nice. So that means you can pretty much take a long time off and look at my analytics. Like it'll still, I just uploaded one time and it's a really popular video, the last one I did, and I'm climbing up. This is just the last 28 days. If we go to lifetime, you can see. So this is the recent trend here, like zoom, just shooting up. And again, if I didn't upload for another 2 months after this, I would come back and probably be close to, at the rate the channel's growing, 600 subscribers without doing any more work, which is cool. And it's a good thing, but you can earn money eventually through YouTube revenue, but YouTube really isn't, you're going to make pennies on the dollar unless you have like 1 million subscribers. You're not going to make much money. And that's not really my goal, although I'll try to make money when I can. But the big thing is, and like I've been telling you guys, I've been getting messages on people asking me to do courses and to give them advice and consulting basically and stuff like that. You can turn all that into money. That's easy. And I plan on doing that in the future. If you guys want like portfolio reviews, or if you need help on something, or you can't get something, you need like a little tutoring session for a half an hour, an hour. If you're willing to pay, I'm happy to do that. I can't give away all my time for free. All the YouTube videos that I upload, which is a ton of value already, are all free, but you can turn that into money, guys. You can make ebooks, you can make courses, do consulting, some developers on YouTube sell merch. They sell t-shirts and stuff that people buy. You can, so really just how I look at YouTube is it's a way of, it's just like an advertising thing, really. It's just free advertising. It's more valuable than TV too. Like, I don't look at YouTube as being a YouTuber. I look at it as like business acquisition, I guess you could say. Just a way to get your name out there, be known, build a brand. And then the YouTube ad revenue, I guess, is a plus, but it's really a way for you, no matter what niche you're in, to showcase your skills and abilities and make sales. That's what it should be used for. So yeah, earn money, become known, stuff like that. YouTube is the best thing you can do. Back in the day, blogging was a thing, and it still is a thing, where you could just have a blog about a certain topic and write, 100, 200, 300 articles and get a bunch of traffic from Google and make passive income and sell ebooks. Those days are really going away now that AI is taking over a lot of search. So if you want to make content, especially as a developer, and make money and get your name out there, video is the way to go. And if you're afraid about being on camera, I'm 33 now. I used to be terrified of it, and I wanted to hide behind the computer and not talk to anybody, but eventually you just got to get over it and just get it done. And number 4, that brings me to my 4th thing, is another great reason why you as a developer, as a web developer, should have a YouTube channel, is it's so easy to make videos for this niche, guys. It's so easy. All other niches out there, fitness, cooking, certain podcasts, anything you can think of, you have to have like at least some kind of basic or decent video editing skills. You have to get shots from different angles. You have to buy equipment. You have to set up like a room with certain lighting and stuff like that. A lot of other niches require a lot more work just to get one video done. With web development, number 1, if you don't want to show your face ever, you don't have to. If you're afraid of the camera, all you have to do is talk. Hopefully your voice isn't too cringy. I think mine is, and I listen to it, but like I said, I just don't care anymore. I'm at that point in life where I'm older, I'm a dad, I just don't give a shit. So you don't even have to have a camera to show your face ever. You can just do code alongs and people will just worship you for them. I did that for like 6 months, 6, 7, 8 months. You guys didn't even know what I looked like. And then the other reason is you don't have to have a lot of equipment. I recommend, like, literally, if I wanted to make these videos, I could just plug in my Apple earbuds and just do the mic out of that. It doesn't sound that great. It's okay. I did a couple of videos like that when my other mic broke, but you could literally start for cheap and use that as your mic. But I recommend just like, this was like $60. The best mics for beginners or for starting a channel, especially in this niche, guys, are only like $50 or $60, and they're like the best. It's not what you would think. You don't need a $500 mic. The other thing that you'll need is just a screen recording software. So I'm on Apple. I'm on a MacBook Pro, and the go-to screen recording software that I found that's out of the box and works great with Apple is called ScreenFlow. So if you have a Mac, you can use ScreenFlow. And it's really easy to use, like literally just records your screen. I'm recording myself. I don't even have a professional camera. I have an iPhone 14 and it's on a stand, and that's what's recording me right now. So I already had a smartphone. I didn't have to buy a camera. And ScreenFlow allows you to do that. All the Apple products seamlessly connect together. It'll detect your iPhone and be like, hey, by the way, would you like this to be your webcam? Sure. And it's so easy. If you have Windows, there's other stuff out there. So if we go to, let's just type in, I had to do all this research when I first got started because nobody really makes YouTube videos for this niche about how to make a YouTube video as a developer. That's the next video I was going to make. I'm not going to do it in this one because it's getting too long. But if you want, I'll make another video showing you just the general workflow and process that I use along with all the other stuff that I do. It's really easy, guys. Like I said, I'm just recording this now. I got this idea for this video earlier today, and I don't really have a script. I have some notes on my other screen over here, and I can just bang this out for you and at minimal editing and upload it. So really easy. But Screen Rec, I don't know. We'll have to do some research. I'll do research for the next video, but there's a bunch of different screen recorders you can use for Windows too that I'm sure are pretty seamless, just like ScreenFlow is for Mac. I don't really know. There's OBS. I know about OBS. That's free, actually. But we'll have to do more research on that. But bottom line is, you don't even need to spend much money or be super technical to make these videos. Just know how to screen record, learn the shortcuts to edit your stuff. I barely edit my videos, guys. I'll watch them back once on double or triple speed. And if something's egregious, like a bunch of dead air, or I'm trying to figure out a problem that isn't working, or if I have a lot of ums and uhs, like I'll edit some of those out. I don't edit these videos hard at all. It's pretty authentic, one shot upload. Yeah, it's just really easy. This is the easy. There's no excuse why you shouldn't just be able to upload a quick tutorial once you have your screen recording software and a mic. And it'll sound good. It'll look decent. I still don't even have like intros or professional outros to my videos. I might add that in the future. I'll have to figure out how to do that. But none of that stuff is needed, guys. As long as you're authentic and you're helping people with something and your content is decent, you're going to get subs. I put very little effort into all that, and my channel's growing, and I'd already be in the thousands of subscribers if I put more effort into it. But yeah, so those are the 4 reasons why. Again, the first one was branding. Second one was retain knowledge better by teaching others. Number 3, ability to earn money through YouTube revenue, selling courses, consulting. Number 4, it's super easy. You just need a piece of software, a microphone, and you're good to go. All right, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.